What's the meaning of colonial? Colonial. Colonial.
Colonial. Colonial. Colonial refers to the period of time when a country established and maintained colonies in other parts of the world, often for economic gain and political power. These colonies were typically subjected to the cultural, social, and economic control of the colonizing country. The impact of colonialism has been significant, resulting in enduring legacies such as language, religion, and legal systems throughout the world. However, it also led to exploitation, oppression, and violence for the colonized peoples, and continues to shape global power dynamics and societal inequalities today.